Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word popper in depth. First, the definition. Popper means a small container of a solvent inhaled for brief euphoria or used in cooking. Think of it simply as a tiny bottle that pops open. It can mean either the inhalant liquid or a kitchen tool like a jalapeno popper. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Popper traces back to the sound made when opening small bottles containing the solvent. Over time, it's been used by recreational users and chefs alike. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use popper in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She bought a popper to quickly open bottles at the party. Correct example 2. He prepared jalapeno poppers for the appetizer. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to popper my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference. Using popper correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Popper means a small container of a solvent, inhaled for brief euphoria or used in cooking. It comes from the sound of opening the bottle, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with popper down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.